In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use store credit in Shopify efficiently and easily. Let's dive right in and make sure you've got everything set up correctly so you can offer store credit to your customers seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to ensure that the store credit feature is enabled. To do this, head over to your Shopify admin and navigate to the settings related to customer accounts. Here, you'll see an option for store credit. Make sure that this setting is turned on. This step is crucial because if the setting isn't enabled, you won't be able to offer store credit to your customers. Once you've double-checked that store credit is indeed active, we can move on to the next steps. Now that store credit is enabled, it's time to work with a customer's account. On your Shopify dashboard, locate the Customers tab. This is where all of your customer information is stored. Click on this tab and you'll see a list of your customers. Choose one of the customers to whom you'd like to offer store credit. It's important to select the right customer, as this is the account that will be credited. After you've selected the appropriate customer, you'll notice an option that says Store Credit, along with a pencil icon next to it. This pencil icon signifies that you can edit the store credit details for this customer. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon to begin customizing the store credit amount. At this point, you have the flexibility to set the store credit amount that you want to offer to your customer. Whether it's a reward for loyalty, a special promotion, or a goodwill gesture, establish the amount that fits your intention. Once you've decided on the appropriate amount, enter it into the designated field. This is a great way to encourage further purchases and build customer loyalty, so it's worthwhile to consider the impact of the credit amount. The final step in this process is to confirm everything. You'll see an option to review the changes you've made. Click on Review Changes to proceed. This allows you to double-check that the store credit amount is accurate and aligns with what you intend to provide. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, finalize the process. Your customer will then have the store credit applied to their account, ready to be used on future purchases. And there you have it. Offering store credit can be a fantastic way to enhance customer satisfaction and drive repeat business. By following these steps, you've now successfully set up and prepared to utilize store credit in Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting you started with store credit on Shopify. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.